Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best blowers for cleaning. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best blowers for cleaning, for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to keeping your space tidy, a blower can be an invaluable tool. Whether you're clearing leaves from your yard, dusting off your garage, or cleaning your workspace, choosing the right blower is essential. Here's what to consider before making a purchase. Blowers come in various types: handheld, backpack, and wheeled. Handheld blowers are portable and ideal for small tasks, while backpack models provide more power and comfort for larger areas. Wheeled blowers are perfect for extensive outdoor spaces. Blowers are typically electric, battery-powered, or gas-operated. Electric models are quieter and more suitable for residential areas, while gas blowers offer greater power and mobility for larger outdoor tasks. Battery-powered blowers provide a balance between the two but may have limited run times. Look for blowers with adjustable speed settings. Higher airspeed, measured in miles per hour, and volume, CFM, are crucial for efficiently clearing debris. A blower with a good balance of both will tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Consider the weight and design of the blower, especially for prolonged use. Ergonomically designed handles can reduce fatigue and improve comfort during operation. If you're in a noise-sensitive area, check the decibel rating. Electric blowers are generally quieter than gas models. By considering these factors, you can select the right blower to keep your environment clean and clutter-free. Thanks for watching the video.